Monkey Mayhem. What's up? I'm your guest hover, and Monkey Mayhem is here. All the decorations are here. Monkey Mayhem. How many monkeys? Look, there's so many getting on right now. There's 40,000 players on right now. Look at that. I got the badge. We're all just waiting. They're in lobbies right now. My game's crashing. I gotta go rejoin the lobby. Alright, I'm in a lobby. Welcome to Monkey Mayhem.
It's 4-4.
Yeah.
This is such...
44, that's insane. Okay.
Let's go.
What?
I'm lagging
Oh.
so bad.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
That's so cool.
Hello?
Okay.
High five.
Free badge I'm definitely getting.
You don't even know about Monkey
Guys, I have
Mayhem.
some 3D bags.
Yay.
You know about
Terry.
I don't know.
That's
It's unknown.
Yo, that's like the only reason why I'm here, like to see if Canada was friends.
There's no one in this coach.
Yo, someone has a shirt. Someone has a shirt, bro. Someone has a shirt.
Because he's somehow gotten in
Yo,
my lobby.
what's up? What's up, bro? What's up?
Yeah,
He's got the Monkey Mayhem shirt. He's got it. 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 Chase him. Chase him.
I got a horde.
Chase him. Chase. Oh, he went back down here. He juked me
Oh,
good.
that's sad now.
He's right there.
Yeah, I need this.
It's almost at 67. Waterman VR.
I already said that.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Who wants my code? Don't ask why my name's Monkey Mayhem.
You guys didn't see a creator, which is totally.
I totally don't have long arms.
Bro.
Imagine.
Yo, hi.
I know Mellow. 10K on TikTok.
Nice. Is it
Is
the green bean? Is it the green bean? The green bean.
The
green bean.
Were there a movie now?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay, guys, stay right here.
Okay.
I didn't get it. Stay right. No, wait. We all got it. Stay right there, guys. Need a photo. Our heads have died.
Oh.
What? What?
Yeah.